such people, such amazing people in our industry who are gone too soon. I got to work with Kuya Daily very, very briefly, but of course I know of him. Like sobrang, he's well respected in our industry. I got to catch up with him nung naghihimik-andong po ako before. And it's just, it's so crazy na life is so short. And so going back, I just wanted to honor them on this stage today because they are such amazing creatives and artists that we lost too soon. And going back, when we were writing Wishing Well, we had a very specific storyline in our head, which is, okay, itong Wishing Well, this is about parang yung losing the longing for someone. Yung parang ko ba i-explain? You're letting go of the longing that you have for someone who no longer longs you. Tapos ayaw mo nang umasa. But in this past week, as we were rehearsing and going through songs, and then as I was going into this next song, sabi ko, grabe, and this is why music is so amazing and so powerful, because we can have different interpretations to songs and lyrics. Suddenly this week, as I was singing this song, suddenly the song talks about grief and mourning the time that you no longer have with someone that you love and care about. And so, again, I am with everyone who are still mourning for all our friends and loved ones in the industry. But we want to continue to remind all of us actually na it's gonna be okay, guys. Let's be strong for them that they're in a better place. And so I would like to share the song with you guys. Knowing with this perspective, I'd like to share with you this song. This song is called Wishing Well.